Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to a secant of t, because if I put this one go in here, you got about a square secant of t square, a square. We can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, you got about tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root and dx. If we do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about dx equals to a secant of t tan t dt. So I will put this one go in here and here. Dx we change by this one. So this one you got about a square secant of t square. This one you got about a square secant of t square. A square, we can do about factorization. So this one that's it about tan t square. The square root of a square tan t square, you got about a tan t. And now we need to simplify a tan t on numerator and denominator. And now I will put a square go outside. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equal to secant of t. If we do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about du equals to secant of t tan t dt. dv we have secant of t square dt. The integration of this one, you got about v equals to tan t. So we have u multiplied by v, so you got about secant of t tan t minus du multiplied by v, so we have the integration of secant of t tan t square dt. About tan t square, we change into secant of t square minus 1. So we have secant of t multiplied by secant of t square and negative number 1. Because we have the negative sign here, negative with negative in here, you got about positive. And we have the integration of secant of t dt. And we know that everything in here equals to this one. So I will put this one go to the right. So we sum two integrals in here, you got about number 2. Next, we need to divide both sides by number 2. And now the integration of this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and we put about c. Now we return back to this one. So this one we put in here. Now about t, we go back in here. So we need to divide both sides by a. And we can find the value of t, that is equals to arcsecant of s over a. So I will put this one to change for t. So we know that secant with arcsecant, you got about s over a. Similar for this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.